Most Android phones will automatically correct your spelling when the phone thinks you misspelled something. This can be useful, but it can also get frustrating if you're using slang words or something else that your phone will mistakenly correct. To turn off autocorrect, you'll first go to Settings. If your phone doesn't have settings on the home screen, swipe up to reveal the app drawer and locate settings from there. Then scroll down to General Management and tap Keyboard. Here's all your keyboard settings. Tap the keyboard you're using and you'll see options for spell check, auto replace, and predictive text. Predictive text is the master feature that powers all the smart typing features. Turning it off will also disable auto replace and spell check. If you want to adjust these individually, leave predictive text on, and you can then, for example, go in and turn off auto replace. This is the autocorrect feature that replaces words as you type. Under that, you have the automatic spell check. This puts a red underline in your text when it detects misspelled words and suggests corrections when you tap the underlined word. This one doesn't automatically change words, it just highlights issues, but if you want, you can toggle that off as well. And that's how you turn off autocorrect on an Android phone. Click that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks all, until next time.